Roomba. Cat hates Chadwick. If you guys have a Roomba, or you're planning on getting a Roomba, the app lets you name your Roomba, so we call ours Chadwick. I let it run while I was out. Usually I like having it run while I'm here, just in case if it gets caught in like the curtains or something. I came home and it was locked in the bathroom. I guess I had like the door open slightly and I went behind it and like just slowly pushed the door closed. God damn it, Chadwick. Picked up a lot there. Yesterday was like crazy for an ice storm. So we have a ton of ice covering all the trees in Hamilton. So I'm gonna vlog away. It's been a while since I've droned. I definitely lost the signal around this area before, but I don't care about my drone anymore. I'm gonna sell this thing. Failed today because I waited too long. It's like 2 in the afternoon and everything was melted. This morning it was phenomenal. Everything was so icy and shiny. Everything's glistening in the sun. It's so sunny out. I've decided, because everything failed, I'll probably just go to my parents, shoot my dog a bit, shoot my dog, kill my dog. Everyone's gonna be like, ha! That's all you do, Jamie. Film your dog. Yeah, I do film my dog a lot. Give me something to do and I'll film something else then, you friggin' dick. Who's that, puppy? Too deep. It's too deep. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's too deep. I'm having a good time. What's the matter? Why'd you stop? Come on. Oh yeah, I can't do it. You're okay. You're okay. Okay, let's go back. Oh no. Okay, come on. Oh boy. Jeez.